Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace the battery in your Audi A7 key fob. First, gather your materials. You will need one new CR 2032 coin cell battery, which is a common 3-volt battery. Also, have a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool ready. These tools will help you safely open the key fob without causing any damage. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit workspace. Now, let's open the key fob. Begin by pressing the small release button on the side of your key fob. This action will allow you to pull out the mechanical emergency key. Once the key is removed, you will see a small slot or indentation where the key was housed. Carefully insert your flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool into this slot. Gently twist the tool to pry open the two halves of the key fob casing. With the key fob open, you can now access the battery. Take a moment to observe how the old battery is positioned. Typically, the positive side, marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. Using your small tool, gently pry the old CR 2032 battery out of its holder. Now, take your new CR 2032 battery and carefully insert it into the compartment. Ensure the positive side is facing up, just like the old one was. Finally, let's reassemble and test your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the key fob casing. Press them firmly together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely closed. Next, slide the mechanical emergency key back into its designated slot until it locks into place. Now, it's time to test your newly powered key fob. Try locking and unlocking your Audi A7 to confirm everything is working correctly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.